Look at your current fitness tracker. What does it tell you? Your heart rate is 72. Your HRV is 45. Your sleep score was 78. Great, but what are you actually supposed to do with that? For years, smartwatches have been incredible at dumping raw data on us, but terrible at explaining what it means.
Well, as of June 8, 2026, Samsung is trying to completely fix that. They just rolled out a massive AI-driven update to the Samsung Health app that transforms your Galaxy Watch from a passive data logger into a proactive, real-time health coach. Instead of just tracking what you did, it's now telling you what you should do next.
This is the biggest evolution the app has seen in years. The headline here is Decision Support. Instead of forcing you to play doctor and guess how your stress levels affect your sleep, Samsung's new AI weaves everything together.
If your recovery is tanking, you won't just get a low percentage bar. You'll get a push notification that literally says, "Your recovery is below normal today. Consider a lighter workout and prioritize hydration." Think of it as moving from a basic dashboard to an intelligent wellness assistant.
To pull this off, Samsung completely redesigned the interface around a new 5-pillar layout: sleep, activity, nutrition, mindfulness, and vitals. And vitals is where things get interesting. Instead of hiding metrics in 5 different menus, Samsung now groups your heart rate, HRV, respiratory rate, blood oxygen, and skin temperature into a single snapshot.
Why is this a game changer? Because these metrics don't change in a vacuum. If the AI detects an elevated skin temperature paired with a dropping HRV and a spiking resting heart rate, it compares it against your personal baseline, not a generic population average. It can warn you that you're overtraining, highly stressed, or catching a cold before you even feel the symptoms.
Next up is daily cardio load. If you've ever used a dedicated high-end Garmin or Polar sports watch, you'll know exactly what this is. It calculates your exercise intensity, duration, and recovery status against your recent training history.
If you've been smashing it in the gym for 3 days straight, it'll step in and say, "Recovery recommended." If you're fresh, it gives you the green light for a high-intensity session. It's all about maximizing gains while avoiding injury.
They've also added a heart health score, which wraps your daily stress, sleep quality, and body composition into one easy-to-digest number, and a fitness index. The index finally answers that burning question: how fit am I actually compared to other people my age? It benchmarks your VO2 max and daily steps against your exact demographic peer group without forcing you to join annoying social media challenges.
But Samsung didn't stop at fitness. They're venturing deep into long-term preventive wellness with 2 incredibly advanced metrics: the antioxidant index and the AGEs index. The antioxidant index tracks trends related to oxidative stress and how your lifestyle choices impact recovery. Even more fascinating is the overnight AGEs index, advanced glycation end products. These are markers associated with biological aging and metabolic health. For the first time, you'll be able to see a direct visual trend of how that 11 p.m. late-night pizza slice or poor sleep schedule is physically impacting your body's cellular recovery overnight. And here is a brilliant ecosystem feature: hearing health. By using the microphones across your Galaxy Watch, your phone, and your Galaxy Buds, Samsung passively calculates your cumulative daily noise exposure. Whether you're commuting through heavy traffic, at a concert, or blasting music in your ears, it flags prolonged dangerous decibel levels to protect your hearing before long-term damage is done. All right, before you get too excited and rush to check your app, let's talk about the catch. To unlock this entire suite of features, you need the right ecosystem. First, your Galaxy Watch must be running One UI 9 Watch. The older generation sensors simply can't handle the advanced biometric tracking required for things like the AGS index or deep vital analysis. Second, you'll need an Android phone running Android 10 or later, a registered Samsung account, and the absolute latest version of Samsung Health. And, of course, the standard medical disclaimer. Samsung is very explicit that these are lifestyle and fitness guidance tools. They are not medical diagnostic devices. If you think something is seriously wrong, see a doctor. Don't just rely on your wrist. At the end of the day, the biggest win here isn't any single new chart or index. It's the direction Samsung is moving in. They are taking a massive pile of confusing biometric data and turning it into a clear daily playbook that answers one simple question: what should I do for my health today based on how my body is performing right now? If the AI execution lives up to the promise, this might be one of the most meaningful upgrades the Galaxy ecosystem has ever seen. But what do you think? Are you excited to check your energy score? Or do you think the AI coaching is overkill? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button if this video brought you value, subscribe for more deep tech breakdowns, and I'll catch you in the next one.